Good morning, everybody. This is the second part of Flash. Now we are going to read our next topic, but in before this, I am going to repeat the earlier topic which we had learned. Earlier topic we had learned the coloring tool, in which we had learned the brush tool. As we know, brush tool is a freehand drawing tools which is used to draw any particular line or any designs in our stage, in which we had learned different modes of brush tools as a paint normals, paint fills, paint behind, paint selected, and paint inside. These all topic we had learned, and also we had seen in the activity. If you don't have seen, then you can see the previous video. Now we are going to read the next topic. He has given another coloring tool, which is paint bucket tools. This tool is used to fill enclosed area of an object with colors in a single click. That means after single clicking in a pictures we can fill the colors. Now another also has given it will fill inside the colors. This is the paint bucket tools. Another has given ink bottle tool. This tool is used to change the stroke colors with and a style of the line or shape outline. That means it will only change the outer line of the shape. The shortcut key is only S. Now I'm going to show you both tools, so you can see this one is Adobe Flash CS3 Professional a screen, and in which you can see this one is our paint bucket tool, and also this one is a ink bottle tool. Now I am going to show you the activity how we can work. So suppose I am going to draw one shape. So first I am going to select the rectangle tool, and then I have to change its stroke only in red, and fill colors only going to select the white ones. And now I am going to draw one shape. You can see I had drawn a shape. After this, if we want, I'm going to change its stroke. You can see that clearly. Now using fill with color tool, so I'm going to select these tools, and after selecting those tools you can see here I had given different colors in fill with color tool. You can see, so we have to single click here, and according to our need we have to select the any colors. So I'm going to select these yellow ones, and then you can see the changes. Okay, another has given the ink bottle tool. You can see this one is ink bottle tool, so I'm going to single click here, and after this you can see he has given the stroke colors. So after this, after single clicking from here also we can select the any outer line colors, as I am going to select this one, and you can see the changes. So this is the step which you have to complete. Now another has given here eraser tools. As in the earlier classes we had seen the pencil tools and also pen tools, but now we are going to see the eraser tools. As we know, eraser tool help us to erase lines and fields of an object from the state. That means this, with the help of eraser tool we can erase any drawings or part of the drawings. But different modes of erasers has given. Eraser modifiers are as follow. He has given first erase normals. That means it will erase the all lines and fill wherever the eraser is moved. That means it will erase the normally. And also has given erase fill. That means it will erase only the fills colors while lines are unaffected. Erase lines, it will use to erase the stroke only. That means only line. Also has given erase selected fields. That means it will erase a selected part of an object. He has given erase inside, it will erase inside only. Now I am going to show you these all tools, and if it possible then you can complete at your home also. Okay, so for this simply we have to open Flash again, and now I'm going to rub these all. Yeah, it's a bit I'm going to leave, and now I'm going to select the eraser tool. So you can see here is our eraser tools. This one is eraser tools, and now we have to single click here, and after single clicking we can find he has given different modes of eraser. Sorry, here you can see different modes of eraser. He has given the erase normal, so I'm going to show you. You can see it has erased the all Now another has given erase fills. Now you can see the changes. I am going to erase similar like the previous, but you can see it has erased only the filled areas. Next also has given erase lines. Now see the changes. I am going to rub the all, but you can see only it has erased the lines and rest are unaffected. Also he has given erase selected fields, so you can see what will happen here. You can see nothing has erased. Okay, another next here has given erase inside. See the changes, it has erased only the inside the colors, you can see. Okay, while line are unaffected. Next topic also has given text tool. Text tool is used to type on the screen. That means with the help of text tool we can type any words or letter in a stage or on the screen. It allows us to add text in your drawing and the animation. That means we can add our text in our drawing and animation. That means in the on the screen we can add text simply. Now I'm going to show this tool. So you can see the shortcut is text tool is T here as given on the screen. So you can see simply we have to single click here. After that we have to draw a box like this. Okay, you can see. And now with the help of keyboard we can write any word. So I am going to write LEAR and learn with fun. So like this, after written we can select, and also same work as in Word. Now you can see, so I'm going to select whatever are written. So by using Ctrl+A we can select the all. Then you can see as given the font, that means different fonts has given here. So according to our needs we can select any ones, and also has given the font size, so we can increase and decrease the font size according to our needs. You can see, so I written learn with fun, so one learn with fun, so you can see. But if we want to change the colors, then also we can select the different colors. So you can see as given the different colors, and also we can apply the bold, italics, and also a lots of effect as given which we had learned in the Photoshop. So we can apply any ones. Now next topic is given frames. So we are going to learn the definition of frame. Here is given frame in a flash can be defined as the little rectangular cell which appears on the timelines. Animation in the flash are created with the help of frames. That means if we want to create any animation, then frames are totally useful. And also has given the keyframes. He has given one another definition. Keyframes are the special types of frames where we define changes in object for an animation. That means if we want to apply any changes or make any changes in animations, then we can use the keyframes. In keyframe we can change the position of the text and the colors and shape it is. That means we can apply various changes. In frame, by frame animation we create the image in every frames. Now we are going to read another. She has given the stroke and fill colors. Stroke, that means fill color in outline, and fill, that means fill color inside the drawings. These all topics we have to write in our notebook and we have to learn. Here is given using frame by frame technique to animate. That means if we want to animate, then what step we have to follow. So you can see as given, first we have to select the stroke and fill colors, then we have to select the shape and draw the pictures, and after that we have to click the insert, timelines, and keyframes. Also we have to make the copy of the pictures, and also we have to change the colors, and this step we have to repeat according to our need. And finally we have to press Ctrl+ enter key to preview or test the movie, that means animation, whatever we had created. So this activity I am going to show you. First we have to select the stroke and fill color. So I am going to open the flash, then you can see I am going to rub this all. So you can see as given the fill color, so I am going to select the fill color is green, and a stroke color is red, And after this I am going to, it's better to select the polystar tools, and in which I am going to select the star tools. So you can see, and after this I am going to click on the OK, and I am going to draw one stars on the screen. You can see one star are drawn. Now another steps as I told. So after drawing this picture, simply we have to select, we have to go in insert and then timeline and then keyframes. So after this, now if we want to change the outer line and fill color, then we can change, otherwise we can make the another copy. To make another copy we can use Control and Alt key, and after this you can see another copy is created. Now we have to change its stroke colors and also fill with colors. Okay, so anyone you can select, finish, and after this we can, sorry, now we have to arrange these ones to this proper place. Okay, so you can see. Now again we have to click on the insert, timeline and keyframes. This step we have to repeat again. We have to use Control Alt key to make another duplicate copy, and then we have to change its outer line, that means stroke colors and also fill colors. So I am going to select fill color, this one is better. Okay, and also now we have to arrange these pictures by using Alt and Control key to on their prop, sorry, by using Control key we can shift these pictures on their proper location. Now as in the pictures you have seen, repeat this step, that means according to our need we can repeat, then we can use Control plus Enter key to preview the animation. So I am going to press Control plus Enter key, and you can see the changes. It will take few seconds, then you can see our animation is created on the screen. You can see this animation we had created. So like this you have to complete this one. Now next has given here symbols. So we can read symbol is a reusable object for a static image or animation. That means if once we had created the symbol, then we can use so many times. They are either, now the next question can be how we can create the symbol. So we can create symbol with the help of drawing tools, or we can import from the other sources as from the internet, or suppose some pictures we had saved in our PC, then we can use. Now the next question can be how to create a symbol. Simply after drawing or importing pictures on the screen, we can press F8 key. F8 shortcut is F8. Okay, now another has given few notes which we have to read. So you can see here I am going to show you the notes. First, Flash store symbol in the library. That means our question can be symbols are stored in, so we can learn the library. Instance, what is the meaning of instance? Instance, that means it's a copy of the original symbol. Next here is given symbol reduce the file size and simplify the editing process of the movie. That means it will reduce the file size, not the quality. Another such given, there are mainly three types of symbol in Flash. First one is movie clips, second one is bottom, and third one is graphics. Also as given library, as we store our all books and notebook in a library. Similarly, library is the storehouse of the symbol. That means in the Flash all symbol are stored in the library, and shortcut key to open library is Control plus L. Another has given how to create a symbol. If we want to create a symbol, then we have to draw the pictures, or we have to color it. After drawing we have to color it, or another step we can choose the sorry, here is given choose the selection tool and double click on it to select it. That means after drawing and coloring picture, we have to use the selection tool and we have to select it, and then we have to use the modify color and convert to symbol, or simply we can press the F8. Okay, so this step I am going to show you simply in Flash. So first you can see I'm going to rub this one. Okay, so I'm going to select shape and going to draw. Okay, after drawing these ones, we have to apply changes. So if we want to change a stroke color, then you can change, otherwise you can escape. Okay, it's I'm going to select another. Okay, you can see now another step as we had seen in there. Here we have to select the selection tool, and then we have to select and then modify and convert to symbol. So I'm going to show you. Choose the selection tool. You can see this one is our selection tool, and then we have to select this one. Okay, modify and then convert to symbols. You can see symbol. Once again, symbol, modify and convert to symbol. You can see. So here 3 options has appears: movie clip, button and graphics. So I'm going to select movie click, and okay, we can edit the name. So I'm going to write the star name, and then we can click on OK, and all will be stored here. This one is library, so I'm going to single click here. Okay, another, if we want to create another symbol, so another I'm going to draw. So this one I'm going to draw rectangle tools. Also I'm going to select its outer line and the colors. So this will depend upon you. If you want to change, then you can, otherwise you can skip. Next, selection tool, single click. Okay, and then press the F8 key. So after single clicking on F8, we will find, you can see same option has appeared here. So I'm going to select this one, rectangle, rectangles. Okay, and then I'm going to click. You can see these all are stored here. Now next topic has given here animation. So as given, when a series of image appears in a fixed interval of time, then it appears to show some movement. This can be termed as animation. That means when few pictures appears on the screen, or appears on the picture on the screen, and when few pictures appears on the screen and they show some moment, this can be termed as animation. This one we can learn. Also has given twinning. So from twinning we will learn in the next classes. And now bye, and everybody, you have to try to complete these all activity. Now bye.